Welcome to Slowdown Sunshine. We've got a really good treat for you today. What are we doing today, baby?
We're going to look at new vans.
We're gonna look at some vans and vans
But
in
not
quotation marks.
But not too big ones.
Yeah, not too big ones.
I like the right size.
The right size. We're gonna look for just the right van because
you don't know how to drive a big van.
because I don't know how to drive a big van. Ah, let's go see.
Oh yeah.
This is the first van we get to check out. Whoa! Look at this. Look at that couch. Whoa!
Come back here. Oh my goodness. Look at this one bed.
Look at this bed.
This looks like a couch bed.
A couch bed? This bed's big enough for us.
Yeah, but what is the blanket?
Oh, yeah, there's no blankets. And we got cabinets. You push.
Hey.
Whoa.
Oh, only one of them.
Only one of us gets a pillow. Got microwave.
I found a mirror.
Refrigerator.
In our van.
A mirror.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a nice mirror.
Oh,
We don't really have a mirror in our van because I took it out. You want to see that video? That's a good one. We have this mirror that is just not super functional.
There's bunk beds too.
Bunk bed.
I really love sleeping on top.
You'd have to put your seat up here though. Whoa, look at this. Built by Travato for Richard L. Jensen. All right. Whoa.
Look, we already have carpet in here.
Yeah.
Look, we own a big couch.
Yep. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, but this is a pretty big van.
It is a really big van. Let's look for something smaller.
Yeah, let's look something like big, small.
Big, small.
Yeah, big,
A
small.
little old school T-drop trailer. A
Yeah,
little bed.
but we need a bigger van.
Kitchen in the back.
But we need something like big, small.
Something big, small. All right. Yeah, that one. What do you think? I like the open baskets up there. Look at this pretty wallpaper.
Look at this pretty couch.
This one's neat. Wow. Very pretty. Huh?
This is flower pattern.
There's a what?
Flower pattern.
A flower pattern. Yeah, wallpaper's nice. This type of size could work.
Yeah, but oh look, this is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, super big. Yeah, check out this.
All right, let's do this. All right, nice little couch. Oh, there's a Murphy bed, so the bed comes down.
And then we like put the pillow.
And there's TV goes there. What's in here? Just storage. Oh, that's some deep storage, though.
But this TV is too small.
Well, that's not the TV. The TV goes here.
Oh, but it's not there.
Yeah, it's not there right now.
Let me see. Let me see.
In storage.
Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa.
Oh. Still that same little fridge.
Oh yeah.
And
Ooh, that's the oven. Oh, here's the sink.
yeah.
Stick it there.
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Shower.
What?
Closet. All right. What do you think?
I don't know how to drive this whole thing.
Yeah. Where do you drive it?
I don't know. I mean, like something like a truck.
You need a truck. I think you're right. No bow 2. Ooh, nice bed right there. TV's right there. Storage. Ooh, look at this big fridge. Oh, how do these work? My fridge is totally different. That's... Oh, there's bunk beds? Yeah. Okay. Bathroom with a wet shower.
I want to be on the top, but...
Yeah?
Oh, they're so soft.
They're soft. They are soft. Teddy bear bunk series. And then we could sit here and I could do mommy work.
And I can watch
Mommy
her.
work.
And I can play on my tablet.
Rosie can do her work. Could I do yoga in here? Let's find out.
You can. Oh my goodness, you can.
I think I could do yoga in here. Big and huge. Let's see what it looks like inside. Whoa, it's dark in here. Whoa, this is... So the driver sits up here. Gigantic TV, that's not distracting at all. Yeah. There's a giant TV in here too. Whoa.
Yeah, bumper and couch. This is...
Yeah.
We only need 2 TVs and 2.
Yeah, we definitely do not need 2 TVs, do we?
Yeah, we only need 1 TV.
Only 1 TV, yeah. Well, I don't think this is the one for us, babe. This one does have eagles. Why is the Pope on this? I do want to go in this teal one. Look at that. Look how cute that is.
Where's the TV?
Very concerned about the TV, darling. Oh my gosh. This is cute. This is really cute. Yeah, maybe we can put a TV in anything. This is so cute.
This couch.
We could get rid of that couch?
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
We can put a TV on here.
Yeah.
And we can sit right here to watch. We're going to put a little bit highlight right there.
Put it up there, yeah.
And we don't have to get rid of this couch.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Little fridge, some storage. I bet this is a bathroom, a wet bath. I don't know, I'm guessing this turns into a bed. Do you think this one will work?
Yeah, we're going to sleep on the couch like this.
Yeah, do you want to sleep on the couch?
Maybe.
Maybe. I don't want to sleep on the couch.
Best day ever!
Best day ever. You having fun?
Yeah.
So why are we looking at vans? We call everything vans. Trailer van, big van, like a Class A bus. We call them all vans. But why are we looking at vans?
Because I want a Barbie dream house.
That's a big reason. Rosie wants a Barbie dream house. She wants some bigger toys, which I get, right? And I...
And the Barbie camper van can come with the Barbie dream house.
Yeah, and the Barbie camper van. And I would love to be able to do yoga inside. Instead of going outside.
I'm really upset with you inside.
She gets really upset with me when I'm outside. I used to do yoga almost every day, and since we've been on the road, I've done it like maybe 4 times.
No, 3 times.
3 times. It's probably more likely 3 times total. So like 3 times in almost 3 months. So I would love to be able to do it inside. And I would like some more space. I'd like a little bit more space for us to have. To be able to have her toys a little bit more accessible, to have my work stuff a little bit more accessible. Just a little bit more space. Also, as I mentioned in my previous video about wanting to find more full-time families and finding a community that's living this life, because I know that they're out there. To go to places where those type of families are, and with the idea, again with my previous video, kind of about the FOMO, the wanting to slow things down, wanting to stay in one spot for like more days, a month maybe. I've thought about getting like a seasonal spot someplace, and if we're gonna stay in one spot for a month or more, kind of makes more sense for us to get something bigger. So none of this is like, we're just looking right now. I don't know, because I love the van. I love the van, love the van, and it's so simple, and it's so small, and that keeps it simple. We're just looking, because I might...
We were just looking at vans.
We're just looking. To see what it might be like, to get inside some of these spaces, to see and get a feel for it.
And there's a fuzzy bed.
And there's a fuzzy bed in this one. So that's why we're here.